Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the EV3 and your computer so code runs reliably. First, flash ev3 dev or micro Python to the brick and enable SSH. This gives file and shell access. Once done, install Python 3, 7.3, 10 on your workstation and pip for packages because compatibility matters for drivers. Make sure you can reach the brick via IP or USB serial. Test with SSH or ping. Then, install the ev3 dev or Python ev3 dev2 library. You now connect and craft your first controlling script. Open an editor and import ev3 dev2. Initialize motor and sensor objects with correct ports like OUTA or input 1. Then write a short loop to run a motor at 30% power for 2 seconds and read a sensor printing values. Once written, transfer the Py file via SCP or an IDE SFTP plugin, then execute Python 3 script. Py on the brick. As you test, tweak power, delays, and port assignments to match hardware behavior. You finish by automating and hardening the program so it's reliable in the field. Create a simple systemd service or add your call to RC. Local to start at boot. Make sure the service runs under the robot user. Add logging and try/accept blocks around sensor reads to avoid crashes on disconnects, and validate battery voltage and port mapping before full runs. If things go wrong, check cable/port assignments, library version mismatches, and power. Those 3 solve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.